Guava Glazed Shrimp Tacos with all the cabbage and pineapple slaw that you can fit in a tortilla shell. I'm Chef Patty and welcome to the Mad Table YouTube channel. Now we're going to start off by making our marinade. Olive oil going in the bowl. Guava preserves. If you can't find guava preserves and you can find guava jelly, that'll work as well. Dijon mustard. I love the punch that the mustard brings to this recipe. And then now we're gonna add some fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice, and some paprika. This is gonna give the shrimp a lot of smokiness. A little pinch of salt. You don't want to over salt your shrimp. A little black pepper. Whisk all of the ingredients. So the sugar in the guava preserves is going to develop in the shrimp and it's going to be really caramelized and sweet. So I'm just whisking away all the guava preserves until I have a smooth, creamy consistency. And now my shrimp is ready to go in the marinade. You want to make sure that you coat it evenly. And ideally, if you can give it 30 minutes, that would be great. If not, if you only have 5 or 10 minutes, then you do what you can. So our shrimp is marinating, and now we're going to start our cabbage slaw. Cabbage going in the bowl. And I'm using pineapple chunks. You can change up the fruit if you want. And I like using pineapple in this recipe because it's not extra sweet. Fresh cilantro, fresh lime juice, olive oil, and a little salt. Now you want to mix all of your ingredients together and we're going to set it aside and all the flavors are going to develop nicely. So now it's time to make the guava glaze. We've got all this delicious sauce, and that's what we're gonna use for the glaze. I'm gonna transfer the shrimp to a plate. All this sauce is gonna go in a saucepan, and we're gonna cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes, and we're gonna drizzle it all over our shrimp at the end. I hope you enjoyed our guava glazed shrimp tacos. If you did, hit the subscribe button next to the bell. And if you have any questions or comments, share them below. Mwah.